Well, first thing we need is a connection. So we're going to say function get connection. And this is where we enter our connection information. So we have that there, and then we say con is equal to new PDO and DSM user PSS password. And then we're going to return this connection, right? So that gets our connection, and now we want to get all the parent task. So to do that, we have this is the results we will be returning. We're going to put it in a try block, the exception. We're not doing anything there as yet. So we want our connection first, and then we're going to say result is equal to connection, and we're going to run a query or execute a query. The statement is going to be simple. It's star get from all tasks, which is our table, where parent is null, right? So once we do that, we then just return the results. Great. Now we're going to display all those in here. So we're going to say for each get parent task as task. We're going to close that, and then we're going to end the for each here, and for each. So we don't need this anymore. And within this, we're just going to display the task name. So let's echo task, and the name of it is task in the database. Right, so let's see if this works. We have an error on 42. Not too sure what the error is about. Can you see the error? I'm looking for it. Get parent task as task. 1 second. So maybe this should be PHP as well, right? Because I don't have whatever you need to do that shorthand thing, right? So first task, second task, feed the dog, walk, butterfly, second task. So these should be all the parent tasks, right? First task, second task, feed the dog, walk, a butterfly. Great.